Today I'm excited to share some insider information and give you professional advice on how to create your very own banknote collection. If you're considering starting a banknote collection but don't know where to begin, well, you've come to the right place. The incredible thing about banknotes is that they tell you stories through their design, colors, and artistic representations. They tell stories of history and of the periods in which they were created. Banknotes are more than just a currency. They become a collection when they are assembled in a way that reflects centuries of history. While each banknote is unique, there are many ways to go about beginning your collection. You can start by accruing banknotes with similar themes. Some banknotes are inspired by nature and have incredible nature themes, such as this aquatic creatures collection. These banknotes feature fish, sharks, and sea turtles as a reflection of the country of origin's aquatic wildlife. Another wildlife theme represented in banknotes is that of colorful birds from around the world. Beyond nature, banknote collections can be inspired by real-life events in history. For example, this World War II collection features banknotes from 1939 to 1945 from different countries that were involved in the conflict, either directly or indirectly. Some collections are based on the material or feel of a banknote. This collection features banknotes made of polymer material that have a unique texture, security features, and increased durability. Like each banknote, every collection is unique. What will your banknote collection say about you? Thank you so much for tuning in. Please feel free to visit our website for more information at banknoteworld.com. A list of these products will be in the description below.